Oh my god, it's CJ.com.
Alright, so I'm here with Sarfaraz, the product manager for Samsung Mobile India, and this is the Galaxy S. So just let me know, what do you think are the main amazing features about this phone?
Hardware, 4-inch screen, Super AMOLED, 16 gigs of power inside, 1500 mAh of battery over here, and a super bright screen. Now, when we talk about the power, this is Android 2.1 on the software side. The OS is 2.1. You can see this is Android. You hit the applications and you can see lots of applications that I have downloaded over here. And a few key applications that I want to talk about is that we have preloaded Leia over here. This is a augmented reality application. We've got something called Daily Briefing, which is a third generation widget that we have. If you see my home screen, you can see the widget over here. This is the third generation widget where all the things are complex, you know, all weather, finance, news, whatever you call it, events, all are actually in one place.
Okay.
You've got something called Buddies now. This Buddies now is actually so advanced that you see Ankur is my friend and his Facebook update is also available right on my home screen. I can actually go on shifting. This is basically a quick dial kind of a thing, but then I can also comment on basically my friend's Facebook page right from here. Then we have got different kinds of widgets, Facebook, Twitter, everything. But one of the biggest thing about this particular phone is its power to integrate your social networks. So we call it Samsung Social Hub. In Social Hub, let me show you. Let me show you one of my friend, right? Let's say Ankur. Where is Ankur? Yera. This is Ankur. Now, this is a phone book, right? Inside phone book, I have got every detail of Ankur, which is my friend. He's there in my phone book, and he's also there on Facebook. He's also there on Twitter. So if you go to history, you can see all the messages or calls that I have received or sent him. If you go to activities, I can see all his Twitter, Facebook activities over here. If I punch here, I can straight away comment from here. And if I go to media, then I can actually see his Facebook albums right here. Right?
Very cool.
Pardon?
That's very cool.
Oh, thanks. See, this is the highest level of integration. Now, when I actually call Ankur by sliding my finger, you see the Facebook status is also present over there. Now, if I want to, suppose I want to SMS Ankur, then I will actually do like this. So this is the Samsung TouchWiz UI 3.0 that we have in this phone. Everything is easy. That's the most important thing. You know, a smartphone should be always easy. It should not be tough. After that, I can show you. See, all the Google mobile services are present. This is Android 2.1, a clear version. And
is there any word on when 2.2 will come along?
2.2, it's pretty early to say, but we are working on it.
Okay.
But soon you'll have a post about it.
There's a quarter 3 assumption that Galaxy S will be getting the 2.2 Froyo in quarter 3.
Assumption.
At least Samsung Global, I think they have said quarter
We're
3.
trying for it, and soon we'll be coming out with some solution. Right, then we talked about something called Write and Go. This is an application which I really like. This is preloaded on the phone, by the way. So I type anything, and from here I can update any of the status all together in one go. So this is Write and Go. Then I have something called
Swipe?
Swipe. You want to see Swipe?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me show you. Okay, let me write. Hi, I am Sarfaraz.
Nice. Right.
It not only recognizes dictionary words, but also recognizes words like Sarfaraz or say Sid or say Varun. How? Because it not only uses English dictionary, but also uses the entire phone book. You know, it knows your friends. It will index the entire phone book and let you type your friend's name.
One
with
thing though,
each side.
if I want to type the same alphabet twice, how do I do it on Spotify?
Oh yeah, that's pretty easy. Let's say you want to
Like
type
the word like feed.
greet, G-R-E-E-T. Say meet, E-E-T. Say feet, E-E-T.
Oh, okay. Oh, cool.
Right?
Right. So that's a pretty awesome phone then.
Yeah, of course. And what else? What else you want to see? I've got lots of applications over here. Something which is not there on other phones. Settings. You go to. You go
This is
to
awesome.
wireless network.
The whole place is falling apart as we speak.
You go to mobile AP setting. Mobile AP settings is basically mobile access point.
Okay.
So this is the way you actually convert your phone to a wireless router. So that's the wireless tethering part. You know, it will tell you that you have to connect to a Wi-Fi router called Galaxy S_5215, and you used to use this password.
Okay.
And you can search in your laptop, connect to it, and get connected.
Cool. Alright, and I guess that's about it. we don't have enough time for
Yeah, sure.
Alright, cool. Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.
I'm Clinton Jeff. So my guy CJ.